I would like to plant a serviceberry tree in my yard to attract the cedar waxwing birds. Recently, I learned that there are two types of serviceberry trees. Is one type of serviceberry tree better than the other in a residential setting? I'm in zone 6. Thanks, and this is John. So how about that?
Yeah, and thank you for letting us know what zone you're in.
That helps.
Because that really does help. But you know what? He's picking a great tree that is very underused. Either one will do well. Okay. They are both about 15 to 25 feet in cultivation, and in other words, in somebody's yard. One of them, Amelanchier arborea, the Downy serviceberry, that one has a lot of cultivars to choose from, so you can get some really pretty foliage with that, and it's a 4-season tree. You've got flowers, you've got beautiful foliage, you've got fall color, so it's an all-year good tree. The other kind, the Allegheny, is actually native from Newfoundland down to Georgia and west to Michigan and Kansas.
Easy as zone 6 then.
But there's not as many cultivars of that. Okay. So I would say whichever one he can find, and if he has good research and can find a certain cultivar that he's more interested in, then I would get that one. But either one would be fine.
Either one would be fine, Mr. John. Yeah, we appreciate that question. Yeah,
good
like
question.
You mentioned, good fall foliage.
Beautiful.
The ripe berries, right?
So berries, and they're edible.
Edible, right? They're used for jams and jellies,
yes.
I've heard. And wildlife. The pollinators love it.
Yes.
So there, plant that, yeah.
Good tree.
Serviceberry would be good. Hope you enjoyed the video. We would love to get more questions from you. So be sure to leave us some comments.